Grasping the past continuous. Exploring likes with was, were loving, was, were enjoying, and was, were preferring. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that will help boost your English conversation skills. We're talking about expressing likes in the past continuous tense, focusing on the usage of was, were loving, was, were enjoying, and was, were preferring. Don't worry if it sounds complex. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand chunks. To grasp this topic well, we first need to understand the past continuous tense. This tense describes actions that were ongoing at a certain point in the past. For instance, I was studying when the doorbell rang. For our specific phrases, was, were loving, was, were enjoying, and was, were preferring, the structure is simple. Use, was, for singular subjects like I, he, she, it. Use, were, for plural subjects like you, we, they. When we say, I was loving that book, we mean that at a specific moment in the past, we had strong positive feelings about the book. Here's another example. They were loving the concert when suddenly the power went out. Remember, using was, were loving is more casual and expressive, and it's often used in informal speech rather than formal writing. Similarly, was, were enjoying indicates that we were in the process of having a good time or taking pleasure in something. Example, I was enjoying the party, but I had to leave early. This phrase is versatile and can be used in a wide variety of contexts, whether you're talking about a meal, a vacation, a movie, or simply a pleasant moment. The phrase, was, were preferring, is used less frequently, but it's still important to know. It implies that a person had a preference for something over something else in the past. An example would be, back in the day, I was preferring jazz to rock music. It's essential to note that this usage is somewhat uncommon and can sound a bit odd to native English speakers. More often, English speakers will use the simple past tense to express past preferences, as in, I preferred jazz to rock music. And there you have it, learners. We've tackled how to express likes in the past continuous tense using was, were loving, was, were enjoying, and was, were preferring. Practicing these phrases will enable you to express your past likes and preferences with confidence and accuracy. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.